Please stay 6 feet away from me.
इस समय सोशल मीडिया पर एक बेहद ही शॉकिंग वीडियो सामने आया है जिसमें एक सीनियर सिटीजन किसी पर बुरी तरह से चिल्ला रहे हैं और जब पता चला तो सामने आया कि बॉलीवुड एक्टर वीर दास ने ये वीडियो शेयर किया है जिसमें उन्होंने ये बताया कि ये शख्स उनका पड़ोसी है और इसने जानबूझकर उनके मुंह पर मास्क उतार कर छींका। वीर दास के मुताबिक वो जिस बिल्डिंग में रहते हैं वहीं के एक पड़ोसी दोस्त ने उन्हें डिनर के लिए बुलाया था और वो सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग के सारे नियमों का पालन भी कर रहे थे, लेकिन तभी उनसे नाराज ये पड़ोसी उनके साथ चिल्लम चिल्ली करने लगा। यही नहीं, वो शख्स अपना मास्क हटाकर वीर दास पर खांसने की कोशिश भी करता है और वो भी कोरोना वायरस महामारी के इस दौर में। इतना ही नहीं, वीर दास ने इस इंसिडेंट को लेकर डिटेल से अपने ट्विटर अकाउंट पर लिखा है। वीर दास ने बताया है कि वो जिस अपार्टमेंट में रहते हैं उसे ये शख्स खरीदना चाहता है, लेकिन वो ऐसा नहीं कर पा रहे हैं। और वीर ने ये भी बताया कि शख्स के साथ पहले भी उनके काफी विवाद हो चुके हैं और उसने मीडिया को भी इसमें शामिल किया था। इतना ही नहीं, वीर दास ने अपनी डिटेल स्टेटमेंट को शेयर करते हुए ये पूरा इंसिडेंट बताया। वीर लिखते हैं कि ये आदमी मेरा मकान मालिक नहीं है, वो एनेक्सी बिल्डिंग के फर्स्ट फ्लोर पर रहते हैं। वो इस बात से गुस्सा था कि मेरे मकान मालिक को विरासत में ये मकान मिला, मैं उसमें रहता हूँ और वो नहीं। मैं नहीं जानता कि इस आदमी का मुझे धमकाना या मेरे पर खांसना, ये कहकर डराना कि उसके दिवंगत माता पिता मुझे डराएंगे, उत्पीड़न की श्रेणी में आता है या नहीं, लेकिन इस बार सारी सीमाएं पार हो चुकी हैं। आप भी देखिए ये पूरा वीडियो।
Sir, please stay 6 feet away from me.
You're younger than my son.
Sir, please stay 6 feet away from me.
Yeah. You said you put your mask first.
Sir, I'm in my house.
You put this is your house is there.
Sir,
Don't.
please stay 6 feet away from me.
Slap you. I'll call the police.
Sir, if you touch
I'm
me, I'm
73.
Sir, please stay 6 feet away
Yeah.
from me.
So you stay 6 away.
Sir,
Get
please,
into your house.
Please stay 6 feet away from me.
I'll sneeze.
Are you doing that? Are
Yeah,
you
I do
serious?
it. Put your mask.
Sir, please stay
Oh,
6
mask
feet away
डालो.
from me.
You don't tell me. I'm the owner of this place.
Sir, you're
My
not.
parents produced me in this house.
That doesn't matter,
Their
sir. I
ghost-
rent this house. I pay rent.
Their ghosts, they slept, they died there. I held a hand.
Sir, I pay rent for my
Where
house.
you sleep.
So I pay rent for my house.
They will haunt you, you know.
Sure.
They will haunt the same place they died. I held their hand.
Sir.
I was born.
So that's great. I pay
was
rent for this
born
house.
in that house.
Sir, I pay rent for this house.
Huh? You pay rent. I don't care.
Sir,
my
sure.
parents died. They will haunt you.
Sir, I'm not going to
I
disrespect
mark my
you.
word.
You're sneezing at me, sir.
Your
It's a
driver
crime.
has a mask. You don't have.
Sir, I'm in my house.
No, you're outside your house.
Sir, see, this is
No,
it.
no, no.
I have visual
Arey,
proof. So I will not move an inch. I'm right outside my own house. You cannot bully me. So you don't get to order me around.
No,
I'm sorry.
I'll order you. This is my fucking
Sir,
property.
please stay 6 feet away from me.
Hey, you stay 6 feet. You get in.
Okay, I'm just going to be silent
Put
now.
your mask. I'm saying, please put your mask.
If you're a senior citizen and you're
72,
worried about your health, go upstairs to your own house. This is not your house.
This is my house.
It's not your house.
Right? This is my house.
It's not your house.
My land. Your land.
So I rent.
So you think that your rent is inside?
So
Yeah?
this is my doorstep. Here.
Yes.
I'm on my
Go
doorstep.
get on your doorstep.
I'm on my doorstep.
Hey, yeah.
Okay, I'm on my
now,
doorstep.
Okay. Coming, it's coming.
Sure.
So you're drinking here and you're very, huh?
Sure. So
No
I'm outside
mask,
my door.
nothing. Yeah. We'll show. Where you were thrown from there in the paper, you can.
So you can do what you
believe
like.
us? My parents will haunt you every night.
Sure,
not
sir.
you.
Sure, sir.
We were born. They produced us there.
Sure, sir.
They died behind the hand.
So please stay away
And
from
you
me.
are, no, you stay. You get it.
Sir,
Put your mask
I
first.
will
then
not
I'll
be
stay.
bullied by you, sir.
You put your mask first.
Sir, I will not be bullied by you on my own doorstep.
You're trying to bully
Sir.
73 years old.
Sir,
70
you're
all
you're
old.
the only one abusing. Nobody else is.
Yeah, because this is my house. Don't laugh. I'll bloody slap.
So you can assault me if you like. I won't even hit you back.
Bloody-
Come on.
Yeah.
I won't even hit you
I am
back.
73 and you're 30 some odd.
Sir, I won't hit you back.
You're a bully in the whole garden.
Sir, I'll sit here all night if you
Yeah.
like.
Hey, you sit.
Great.
In any case, whether you sleep, we don't know. I don't know. Because our parents will haunt you.
Great.
The bed that you're sleeping, they died. I held a hand.
We have different
And
beds, sir.
100. Okay.
We have our own beds.
Huh?
We have our own beds.
That they will haunt you. Mark
Sure.
my word.
Sure.
Because I was produced in the house. I
Great,
lived
sir.
a shack. I did. And you are living
shat?
there. And
You shat?
you're 70 years. You don't shit in your house. I shat in my house.
Okay, sir.
And you're sitting on the same pot.
Okay, sir.
And you're sleeping on the same bed my parents died.
That's great, sir. Your inheritance problems are
They
not
will
mine.
bloody haunt you. You are bloody harassing us.
Great, sir.
And thinking you're just come here a few months. You think you're a clown.
I think I'm
And
a clown.
You think you got the money.
Sir, clown is a huge compliment in my
No,
profession.
no, exactly.
Yeah, it's a great
I'm
compliment.
giving you that.
Arey, I'm a clown. Thank you.
वेल अब इस शख्स के खिलाफ कोई एक्शन लिया जाता है या नहीं, ये तो वक्त आने पर ही पता चलेगा। लेकिन आप इस पर क्या कहना चाहेंगे, बताइए अपनी राय। बॉलीवुड की लेटेस्ट न्यूज, गॉसिप, फिल्म रिव्यूज, सॉन्ग रिव्यूज के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें हमारे चैनल क्रेजी फॉर बॉलीवुड को। एंड यस, डोंट फॉरगेट टू प्रेस द बेल आइकन ताकि हमारे चैनल पे आई कोई भी नई इन्फॉर्मेशन आप बिल्कुल भी मिस ना कर पाएं।